In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import a Google Calendar into your Notion workspace. This is a fantastic way to keep all your organizational tools centralized, and it makes managing your schedule so much easier and more efficient. Let's get started. First, make sure you open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once there, look for the settings icon, which is generally a little gear-shaped symbol, and give it a click. This will open up a menu with various options. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several options. Here, you need to locate calendars and then select the specific calendar you wish to import into Notion. This section is pivotal as it holds the key information for calendars you're currently managing. Once you've selected your calendar, you need to access the permission settings. Now, this part is crucial. Find the settings that say Access Permissions for Events and make sure to click on the option that allows anyone with the link. This permission is what allows the calendar to be shared outside of Google Calendar, so ensure it's set correctly to proceed without a hitch. Next, scroll down the page until you find something labeled as the embed code. Here's an essential detail. You're not going to use the entire embed code. Instead, carefully locate the link, which is usually embedded within the code. What you want to do is copy just this link. This link is your golden ticket to having your Google Calendar available in Notion. Now, let's move over to Notion. Open your Notion workspace and find or create the page where you want your calendar to be visible. Here, you're going to want to look for the option that allows you to embed anything. Notion's beauty is in its flexibility, and it gives you the ability to embed a multitude of different types of media and links. Paste the copied Google Calendar link into the embed option. Once you've done this, simply click on the embed link button that appears. Voila! Just like that, you've imported your calendar into Notion, bridging the two platforms to enhance your productivity. With these steps, you're now equipped to integrate your scheduling and planning tools in a way that's effortlessly accessible and cohesively organized. Make sure to experiment with other calendars and layouts that fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.